To the Lebanon Valley Rail Trail. This is a rail trail that's about 20 miles from my house. It's one that I haven't gotten to ride very much because I don't really like having to drive out places to ride my bike. But I haven't done a video on it yet, and I figured we'd go check it out. It's like 19 and a half, 20 miles or so from one end to the other. So we're going to be getting off here in a minute and checking out this awesome trail. So this is actually the Conewago Trail. That connects directly into the Lebanon Valley Rail Trail. I think it's like 3 or 4 miles long. It's not very long. Well, that's where I actually started. So total length is going to end up being like 20 miles from here to there, and then coming back 20 miles. But yeah, it's a nice trail. You can kind of see, get an idea. Slow down. What you're working with. So you've got 2 tracks that are you got a little bit of harder stuff. That's about as bad as it gets. So not a bad trail to ride. I've got to admit, after riding a couple more miles, the trail's a little bit washed. So all the like little grains kind of got washed away, and it's a lot chunkier than normal. They probably redid it at the beginning of summer, so it's not surprising. Mountain bikes are probably more comfortable over this. I think got 25mm tires on right now, and it's a little, just say, as a big boy, it's a little bumpy. Yeah, that Lebanon Valley Rail Trail side definitely looking a little bit more backwoods. So that's where we are. Right up Mount Gretna. I think it goes up 600 feet. Up to Lebanon, and then this is the future trail. Maybe. Admittedly, I don't know much about the history of this place. This trail kind of travels through some of Pennsylvania's best farmland, Lebanon County. Some people call this Amish country. It also travels through Lancaster County. But yeah, it's a beautiful trail to come out and check out. This is Lawn, Pennsylvania. Obviously, I assume they hear a lot of jokes about lawns. This is one of the parking spots. It's also got a porta potty if you need one. I think there was like a Dairy Queen somewhere around here or something, but not anymore. I'd gone about 80 feet of elevation until I hit the 8 mile mark. And now I've gone up about 70 feet in the last mile. So that's where you hit the actual climb to the top. Not good. It's a good ride though. Nice and soft. Real nice. 70 degrees. About 9.5 miles in. Some people like to take the road right there. Came here for the trail, so I'm gonna take the trail.
So I ended up accidentally deleting some footage, and you'll see here this clip doesn't have any sound. I'm just kind of showing the path down to Mount Gretna, which we kind of check out later, but unfortunately I lost about 30% of my footage. So you're going to hear me kind of doing some voiceover stuff over the next few scenes. Yeah, I lost the audio. I got to recover some of the deleted stuff, but I lost the audio. So there's benches all along this trail, and there's a few of these pavilions like this, so you can have a little picnic, you know. At this point, I think we were at the 11, 12 mile mark. That's about where the Mount Gretna area is, and it just kind of continues on like this up to Lebanon.
Looks like we're about 730 feet. 731, maybe 732. So 334 feet of elevation gain from the parking lot. But what gets me excited, it's just a wide open path to ride a bike down. So you should be consuming a bottle of water every 45 minutes to an hour. I've consumed about half of one, an hour and a half. It is. Look at that. Actually a water fountain. I'm always like that, kind of fat, and so I don't dehydrate that fast, or I guess I don't notice it as fast. I don't know. Back at the top, smooth sailing from here. 640 feet elevation gain. I think it's pretty much either flat or downhill from here the next 12 miles. So that'll be pretty much it for this video, I think. Yeah, appreciate you guys checking it out. I thought it would be rude for me to come down here and not see Mount Gretna, so just ride through the beginning of it. I'm not sure which way it is though. At the end of the tunnel, son.